chit chat get ready with me video where I do my makeup, have fun, get glammed up just to stay at home, and I will talk to you guys. There's a lot of new things I feel like I can say, but then I really don't. I got so excited I don't know what to say because I haven't filmed my video in a very long time. Here's something what every YouTuber and model will tell you. Drink water and stay hydrated. Even so, I never drink as much as I'm supposed to. So today I got up early, I cleaned the stuff I need to, then the sun comes a little bit up and I feel warm and I feel cute, so I did a hair braid a little bit here and I changed out my summer outfit, this princessy dress from Abercrombie. I wore it last year, I didn't get many chance to wear this dress, and I put on a Pandora necklace, and then the sun comes up real nice and strong and warm, and then my parents have to go to the supermarket. We don't have bread anymore, so they have to go grocery shopping, and I'm here all alone, so good time to film my video. So as you can see, I have some new stuff going on here on my vanity table. If you have watched my other makeup videos before or my makeup collection, these things look now very different. We will get to that later, and I'm going to put on some lip balm first. I'm already having some makeup on my face. I did foundation, little eyebrow stuff, and then the sun come out, my parents goes out, so I decided to film a video. Normally I would wipe my face clean and then do a whole new video, but today I'm feeling cute in the makeup I'm already wearing. I don't wipe anything off. I hope you guys can understand. Oh, let me know what's your guys' favorite lip balm. My favorite at this moment is a Nivea Repair. It's very lightweight, it feels good, it smells nice, it has a little minty feel, and it has SPF 15 in it. I never thought of SPF in lip balms before until I have 2 freckles on the top of my lips. Even lipstick cannot cover, so I feel a little shitty about them. Choose a lip balm that has SPF in it so that you don't get freckles on your lips that ain't cute. Next thing I'm going to do is a Hoola bronzer by Benefit. And look at that pen. Look at that pen. Can you see that? Such a big pen in there. I have had this for like starting from 2018 or 2017. And it's a mini one. I thought if I finished this, I would buy a full-size one if I liked it. And until now, I still haven't finished it. It looks so small though. I'm going to take some bronze up my skin. Let me know what you guys like more about your skin tone. Do you like to go make your skin tone pale out, like more whiter, or do you want to get more darker, more bronzier? Most Asians in Asia, they would like to get whiter skin and paler skin. They would use whitening face masks, whitening makeup and things like this. But many Asians who live in other countries in the Western continents, they like to get darker skin. They like to be bronzy and like a bronzy goddess. And every time I see someone Asians on Instagram, they always look better than me. And I don't know, should I get whiter or should I get darker? But then me and my friend, we come out with a conclusion, just go with the natural skin tone of yours. That's always the best thing that suits you. These people you see on Instagram, on social media, no matter they have lighter skin or darker skin, they just have beautiful features. So whatever they do with makeup, they always look good. But you have to find your own style. I used to walk under the sun without sunscreen just to get bronzier skin, and actually that's bad for your skin. Don't do that. Always wear sunscreen. I also don't want to put on any whitening face mask or whitening skincare products just to get whiter skin. That's also not good for you. So go with the natural flow. Okay, now we're going to do some blush. My new eyeshadow palette. We will get to that later too. I have 2 blushes here. Both is from Nars. I'm feeling fancy today. This is a Nars blush in Outlaw. It looks like this, like a darker version of Orgasm. A raspberry pink color they call it. And this one is Nars. It's a satin pink color with some shimmers in it. More subtle than this one with some orange tone in it. I think I'm going to go with Outlaw today. I really want to hit pan on this blush, but blushes last so long. I'm going to take some on a fluffy brush and then just do this to my face. Something is wrong. I don't know what's there. Maybe I got stung by any mosquito or something, but you see there's a bump there. I also starting to get acne. You see this area here? I don't know if you can see where there's pink and bumps and stuff. So normally when people get acne during teenage time, they get it like in this area or in this area or there. But I got it on my back. Right now there's many pimples and acne on my back, and that's what my mom used to have as a teenager, so I got it from her. But better on back than on your face. At least on your back people can't see so well unless you're wearing a dress like me today. Now we have some blush on. So now let's get up to new makeup stuff and things here. I ordered 2 new things from Colourpop. I haven't bought any makeup since last Christmas. I've been a good girl, had 3 full months of no buy. And Colourpop just keeps coming out with new collections like every single week. And I have only 1 palette from Colourpop, the first Disney palette. I really wanted new makeup and and my nobody broke. Colourpop so cute. So I ordered the Flutter by eyeshadow palette by Colourpop. It just looks so pretty. Look at the butterflies. I love butterflies. They have a special meaning to me. And when you open it up, it looks so nice. It have cool toned mauves and purples, and I don't have this kind of colors in my collection. I don't have any cool tone color, so it was okay for me just to get a palette and with colors I don't have. I love this color stories. We'll get to that later. I think I'm going to do a look with this. I don't know if this will match my dress and my outfit, but I want to do look with my new palette. Other thing I ordered is a Colourpop Luxe Gloss. It looks like this, and when I open it up, it's a chubby tip like this. It looks so cute. It's in the color Dream Cream, but I haven't opened it up yet. I have many other makeup I need to finish, so I'm keeping this one closed. Now let me show you guys what's new here. So this is my vanity right now. We have 3 new posters. They are probably the first things you'll notice. My mom buys things from Chanel very often, so they would send over packages with samples or posters or magazines in them. And my dad thinks this 3 looks very cute from my vanity, so we put them up in a pop of color. And my vanity, I like them very much. Chanel also sent these 2 golden boxes with only 2 samples in them. It's a big box that actually feels very nice and thick, and they can hold a lot of stuff in them. So my mom gave it to me. I can use it to hold my makeup. I can organize them like this organizer here. And I got new makeup. I also organized makeup a little bit. Let me know if you guys would like to see an updated makeup collection. Here I put now my palettes, my 2 Colourpop one, 1 Fenty Beauty one, a mirror and a 3CE one. I like it very much. My vanity is my happy corner. I like this place very much. I love makeup so much. Let me know what's your favorite makeup products. So let's get continued with the video. So now I'm going to use a Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Setting Powder in Butter. It looks like this. It has a light vanilla scent, smells very nice. It goes on super natural on your skin. It controls oil, sets makeup. I like it very much. I get oily in my T-zone very often, my forehead, this area around my nose, so I'm going to control that. Now let's move on to eyeshadow. I'm going to use my Flutter by palette. It has 12 beautiful colors. The matte feels very thick and buttery and smooth, which is what I like. I don't have any experience with any cool tone eyeshadow, so I was actually surprised how well it turned out. The colors are very pigmented. Even if you have very warm skin tone like mine, the cool colors will show up pretty well. I'm going to take the color Wild Wing. It's a light purple mauve color. It has some kickback, I guess people call it. When you dip your brush inside, some powder will fall out, but that's okay. This palette is totally worth the price. So I'm just putting that color in my crease area to, I wanted to say warm it up, but it's actually a cool color. So I use it as a transition shade to create a base. Then I'm going to deepen up the outer corner, and then I'm going to pack a shimmer on it. Super easy. I like to play with new makeup very much. You will learn the color story with new colors. Then you will learn which shades you like. Do you like the powder texture? Do you like to work with it? Is there colors you don't like? Is there colors where you have to find a way on how to use it? And I like new makeup also because the packaging looks so beautiful. And I think I'm a Colourpop obsession right now. My favorite makeup brands used to be Fenty Beauty and MAC, and right now I think Colourpop is actually really good. It's very affordable, the price is really nice. You get full-size products that will last you very long, and also the quality is very nice. I also love the colors, the packaging, and the powder quality of the products. So I'm taking a smaller brush, take some of that shade and put it on my lower lash line. If you're thinking about getting a Colourpop eyeshadow palette, I would definitely say go get one because the quality feels very nice. I like the mattes, I like the shimmers. And let me know what kind of makeup videos do you like to see. What's your favorite kind? I will put a poll right here. Do you like to see voiceover makeup tutorials? Do you like to see talk through where I show you what kind of products I use, how I use it, when I use it? And do you like to see Chit Chat Get Ready With Me like this one where I talk a lot? Or do you like to see the calm and soothing makeup therapy ones I call them? It's a shorter video, like 5 minutes, 6 minutes, and then there's music over it. I like that a lot. So let me know. I will put a poll right here. Now I'm going to take a darker color, Angel BB, this one, a deeper purple. Always make sure to tap off, not on something white or your dress, darkening up the outer corners and also bring a little bit up on my lower lash line. So now I'm going to take a small angled brush, take the shade Float On, which is the darkest palette, So now I'm going to take a small angled brush and take the darkest shade in the palette, Float On, and do a little winged liner with it. When you do a liner with eyeshadow, it looks more natural. And I like that soft glam look. And also if you use eyeshadow and you do any mistake, you can just wipe it with your fingers. it's very hard to do eyeliner on my little eyelids. The eyelid space is like not even 1 millimeter. Everyone has their struggles. And this hair is annoying. You see, I can't get it into the braid. There are 3 beautiful shimmers in the palette. This one, Just Imagine, and then this one, Sunflare, which is many people's favorite shade, and then this one, Getaway. I will take this one and pack it on my lid. Going to take some of that with my finger, and off you go. That's beautiful. And then use a clean finger to blend it out. You can work with eyeshadows using your fingers. It also works very well. I like how this shade looks like a light pink, purple, but then there's some green and blue shimmers in it. And there we have a soft glam look. So easy. And now you can't see it because I have hooded Asian eyes. Man, I wish I had more eyelid space. But I know that the fat in your eyelid goes away when you're aging. You will lose more and more fat on your face. So this part will slim down, here will slim down. So I already guessed that the best time of my life is probably in my 30s or 40s when I look really slim. So this is a finished eye look. I really like the soft glam mauve look. I didn't know I can do mauve so well. And I know you can't see that well because I have small eyelid space, but I really like the look. I like the palette very much. And I'm going to curl my lashes, but I won't put on mascara. I feel like the curling, the putting on mascara, and the wiping off at the end of the day can actually hurt your lashes and you can lose eyelashes by that. Sometimes I'm wiping off in the night and I see eyelashes. So I'm not going to put on mascara unless I'm going out or have something important to do. So now moving on to the last 3 steps. First I'm going to put on some Fenty Beauty Color White highlighter. And I have 2 colors inside. The left one is more subtle and everyday, soft glam. The right one is more glittery and really blinding. I like them both. I'm going to sweep on a little bit. Put on my nose. Some here. So now for the lips, I'm going to take this one, the Victoria's Secret Velvet Matte Cream Lip Stain. This is the shade Adored. And as I said, I don't have experience with any cool tone makeup, so this is my only cool nude lipstick. I'm going to put on some of this. Try to blend it out because I don't like how thick it feels if I layer it fully. It actually matches the eye look. Oh, it just ate a little stick. So that's the makeup look for today. Now I'm going to put on some perfume. This is a Victoria's Secret Pink Urban Bouquet body spray. They have a wide range of different smells and very nice body sprays. I like them very much. I ate them. It tastes bad. It tastes really bad. That's my princess smell. Urban Bouquet. And that's it for this video. That was my soft glam look using the Flutter palette from Colourpop. This look was super easy and I liked it very much. I hope you guys liked this video. Please thumb up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!